I'm now in Singapore. I just got back from Vietnam, Thailand, and Malaysia. So I've had a real tour of Southeast Asia.
So how's the world looking like, Mark? Suddenly we are talking about challenges in America, big problems in Europe, and a repeat of 2008. In your understanding,
Well, there's
2023 and 2008, what is the
yeah,
similarity? And
my
what?
feeling is that there's a great deal of confusion right now, of course, because what you have is a situation where people are thinking maybe my money in the bank is not safe. Uh, and then you have on the other side the government in the US and now in other countries trying to prop up the banks. And that is a big question mark whether this is going to be successful. So far, it's been successful in the US. And of course, in Switzerland, it happened. But people are really beginning to question the safety of banks. So that's the reason why you've seen gold go up and you've seen Bitcoin go up because people feel that maybe these two areas would be safe from any problems that the banks have or any problems that you see in the governments. So that's a very, very significant change that's happened with a great deal of uncertainty. Of course, in this market, the emerging markets have underperformed the US market because people, of course, are looking at China. And China, of course, is the biggest component of the market, the emerging markets index. But if you look at what's happened in Taiwan and Korea, you'll see that those two markets are doing quite well. India has come down a little bit, but the good news for India is that exports from Taiwan to India are going up, which is a very significant change because that means that more and more semiconductor business is going to be flowing into India. And I think, as I mentioned before, this is going to be very positive for India.